All right, guys. Today we are going to be reacting to American soldiers train German soldiers on U.S. machine guns. Jump in. You have to hold.
Machine gun!
Yeah, they're telling her you have to hold it. You have to hold the trigger.
Machine gun!
There we go. Yeah, can be intimidating, huh? Ooh.
Nach links!
Yo, that sound, bro. That sound in the background. Ooh. If you adrenaline start rushing, right? It's natural. So it's a natural thing. But I'm glad that the German are taking more training. I think they've been training for quite some time now, but things are a little bit unstable in that region. So I'm glad that they're taking this very seriously. There you go. Still have to hold it. He's not holding it. He's still a little afraid. He's holding back a little bit. Damn. They're doing very good so far. They're doing very good. There you go. This, yeah. There you go. They have to hold it. See, I think it has to do with the fact that their original machine gun, right? You know how you cannot hold it. Oh, it's not that you cannot hold it. They're not used to hold it, right? Holding the trigger down. So they always do like a couple, I think what 3 or 5 at the same time. Not at the same time, like continuously, and then they stop, they rest. I think I don't know what the hell I'm saying here. It's almost 2 in the morning here in Wisconsin. But what I was thinking is, I'm wondering why they're a little afraid of just holding that trigger down, just holding it. Right? It's interesting. Look at there we go. See? Might be uncomfortable for them. Yo, look at that. Wow. See, they don't hold it. That's hot.
Pull it.
There we go. Yeah, look at that.
Clear, right? Leave this open.
Uh-huh.
Put it in fire. Fire it. Good.
There we go. Hold it a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Like, oh, hold it. Hold it down, man. Just feel that vibration go through your, everything. All your body. I think I'm glad they're getting the training. Now question that I wanted to ask to all my friends in Germany. Are you guys, whoever's in the military, do you guys are training now more often since what's going on in Ukraine has turned, how can I say this? Okay, since Ukraine is in war, has Germany has taken the threat of possible war a little bit more serious and they're training more? You see what I'm saying? I personally think that, and this is one of my views when it comes down to Germany need to remilitarize. They need to remilitarize. That's my personal opinion. Let them build weapons. Let them. Let them. You know what I'm saying? Like, let them make sure that they're remilitarize. That's my opinion. And the reason that I say this is, in the same I will say France, the other countries surrounded, right? I will say that I would love to see a stronger Europe. That's my opinion. A stronger Europe. The reason is because of China and Russia. That's the reason why. Well balanced, right? Make sure that everybody's respecting each other. Hey, we have here some armament. We have some armies around here. Don't mess with us, and the same for the other side, right? And that way, there's a mutual respect. There's a mutual respect, and I would just go with remilitarizing or remilitarize Germany. That's my opinion. They for some reason they thrive a lot when they're in that situation, on anything regarding militarization. Germany shines a lot, So, but that's my opinion, guys. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one.